In just a few hours, the public will hear from one of the jurors who convicted Alec Murdaugh of murdering his wife and his son. This hearing comes after Murdaugh's lawyers accused a court clerk of influencing the jury's decision, saying testimony from the three jurors will prove their claims. Brooke Schaefer is in Columbia, South Carolina, with the very latest. Brooke, good morning.
Hey there, Markie. Good morning. Alec Murdaugh will be back here in this courthouse later this morning, along with one of the jurors who found him guilty of murder. Today's hearing starts what will be several days of questioning. The judge in this case is going to question all 12 of the jurors from Alec Murdaugh's case. The judge saying that this will be very focused questioning about what went on behind the scenes during Murdaugh's murder trial. So all of this, as you said, stems from accusations from Murdaugh's attorneys who say the clerk of court, Becky Hill, had inappropriate conversations with the jury during the trial, talking with them about whether they thought Murdaugh was guilty. So today, the judge will talk to one juror only who had a scheduling conflict. They can't be here next week when the other 11 jurors will be questioned. But that judge has said that she's going to ask these jurors what the clerk said to them, how she said it, and if it impacted their verdict. That's really the critical part of this hearing, because the defense thinks that Murdaugh should get a new trial because of this, but the state argues that they need to prove not only that the clerk talked to these jurors, but that those alleged conversations impacted the verdict here. So again, that one juror is going to be questioned later this morning around 9:30 a.m. Eastern. There won't be cameras or cell phones allowed in the courtroom, but we will have a member of our team in there taking notes that we can bring right to you. The rest of this hearing will pick back up on Monday. Markie?
Okay, we know you have us covered every step of the way. Brooke Schaefer, thank you. And gosh, a lot of different hearings for very high-profile cases across the country today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.